right now in the outlets. The outlets is located in Pueblo Verde here in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, in Mactan Island, and this is a very unique kind of mall because all you can see are the very popular brands, outlets of popular brands. Like you can see here, there's the Nike factory store. So these are outlets of popular brands in which you know, like Levi's outlet store. And the prices here in the outlets for these branded products, clothes, shoes, are more cheaper than your shops in the mall, like the Giordano outlet, the Planet Sports outlet, Converse, Timberland. So these are the shops that you can also see in the malls, but they are just more cheaper here. Timberland, and of course the Bamboo outlet store, which carries all the Ipanema, Rider sandals, Grinda. So for those people who like their brands, this is a place that you can visit because all the popular clothes brand shoes are over here at a very reasonable price because they are from the factories. This is located in the Mactan Export Processing Zone 2, which is there. And these are some of the brands made here in Mactan. Look at the ASIC factory outlet. The Skechers outlet. The Onitsuka Tiger Bench Depot. You got the Oakley, both. So this is the Nike factory store. And you got the Dickies jeans because they have a factory there in the MEPS. And the Sunglass Haven here. So this is one kind of commercial center that you would like to visit because this is where you find factory outlets of the products that is made here in the Mactan Export Processing Zone. So they got the Hush Puppies. Bench Depot. This is the Fusion outlet, which the makers of Sperry, Merrill, and Keds. Then you got the Hush Puppies outlet. Then the World Balance shoes. back you can see restaurants like the Island Hot Wings, Chikaan. So you got a few restaurants available here for you to dine in. A Kogi Q, and of course their famous walkway here with loads of colorful umbrellas, Chubby Chubby, Mama Linda. So you got like secluded gardens where you can sit down. So that's Cebu. And we'll go further. What are the other outlets that's here? You got the Dickies factory outlet. A6. Then you got the brand Fuma or Fuma. Because I know some are more particular in how you say it, even if they know the gist, because they don't understand the content. So the content is about the outlet, which is a factory outlet of the factories, the makers of branded clothes, shoes in the export processing zone. So that's the Puma outlet. Next to it is the Adidas outlet. So in here we'll have a look. That's the Adidas outlet. And that's the fashion rack of designer outlets of different brands. Like Vans, Renox, and the Peso store. I've seen several branches of this Peso store everywhere around the city. So this is the export processing zone 2. So this is where the side of the outlets, but I'm just giving you a tour around here so to give you an idea. So that's the Peso store. Their coffee shop, Boost Coffee and Tendo Street, and you go out here with loads of kiosks of different potatoes, shakes, Pizza House, and of course Robinson Supermarket is also here. They got proper restaurants like the Tagala Chickens over here. The kiosks are more popular because you can dine in here. Under the trees. So these are the restaurant area of the outlet. That's Robinson Supermarket over there, and these are the different eating places And this is the supermarket. So the name of the place, there's a Jollibee, of course, in the corner. That's the Pueblo Verde Terminal. So this is the outlet where it's located. That's the Pueblo Verde Commercial Community. So there's a bus terminal, tricycle terminal in the front. And you can go in this entrance and you can go on the other entrance from Basak Marigondon Road. But this is one place that you need to visit when you're here in Cebu, to buy your branded clothes and stuff from factory price. So it's the outlet located inside Pueblo Verde. That's the sign that you can see.